In this video, I show you how to remotely control and monitor a laboratory device with the help of Labworldsoft 6. The first step to do this is to select a laboratory device that you want to remote control from the device library. There are different ways to do that. You can find the desired device, for example, in the menu using the company name and the product group. In my case, I want to control a magnetic stirrer. Select the laboratory device by clicking on it, or drag it from the list to a free area in the workspace. Alternatively, you can select the laboratory device via the product group and the company name. Select the laboratory device by clicking on it, or drag it from the list to a free area in the workspace. You can find and select the laboratory device using the search function as well. To do this, open the search bar and enter the device name or parts of the device name in the search bar. The search results are automatically listed. Select the laboratory device from the list of results by double-clicking it, or drag it from the list to a free area in the workspace. The added rectangle is the device module. Modules provide certain functions. In this case, the device module represents the functions of the laboratory device with which you want to work. Open the module configuration by double-clicking on the module. All functions that can be controlled by software are listed on the left-hand side next to the device image. These are the device inputs. All device data that the device can send to Labworldsoft are listed on the right-hand side. These are the device outputs. Select all functions that you want to control or read out from the device. You can recognize selected functions by the small line on the side of the input or the output. In my case, I would like to control the tempering and stirring and have the set point of the speed and the temperature, as well as the actual value of the speed and the temperature displayed. As soon as you have selected a function, a small rectangle appears on the left input side or right output side of the device module. These inputs and outputs are later connected to function modules. The next step is to select how the device communicates with the software. In most cases, this is done by selecting the COM port via which the device is connected to the PC. Many device modules offer a search function that finds the correct COM port automatically. If this search function is not available, you can also use the Windows Device Manager to determine the correct COM port. The device configuration is complete for now. Close the configuration window. The selected inputs and outputs must now be connected to the corresponding function modules. The easiest way to add a function module is to drag and drop a connection to a free area in the workspace with the left mouse button pressed. Labworldsoft then creates the corresponding standard module for the respective input or output. Repeat this for each output and input of the device module. The configuration for remote control is now complete. You can now start the remote control by clicking on the Start button. Labworldsoft establishes the connection to the laboratory device and communicates via the set COM port. The frame of the software window turns light blue, indicating that the process is running. The function modules represent certain functions to control the device. In this case, for example, stirring and tempering can be started or stopped via the switch modules. The speed and the temperature can be set via the setpoint modules. The display modules show the current device values. The device is now controlled via PC. You will notice that the device can no longer be operated directly via the device buttons. Controlling the device manually is deactivated during the communication with the PC. This is often indicated by an icon in the device display. ICA devices show a small PC icon in the display, for example. While a process is running, it is not possible to make changes in the device module anymore. You can end the process and the communication with the device by clicking the Stop button. The device is stopped, and the device display is enabled again for manual control. And that's it. You have successfully created a simple remote control for your device with the help of Labworldsoft 6.